When the ground shuddered in April 1906, San Francisco woke to a city split by fire and fear. The quake toppled chimneys, but it was the disproportionate firestorm that devastated neighborhoods and buried streets under ash. With water mains ruptured, firefighters improvised by far-reaching hose lines, guiding flames away from wooden houses and into the bay. In the aftermath, planners rebuilt smarter, introducing wider streets and seismic safety codes that shaped modern urban design. The disaster's lesson still echoes in every high city fire drill and in the courage of ordinary citizens who steadied the crisis.